we have 9 equals slash sign.
Is it always going to be positive?
The magic number will always be positive. Yes. Good question. Okay, now what are we going to do? Factor, put this left factor in there. And the right side.
They're knocking at you.
They're not, you're riding too hard.
Yeah, you can sit there. I started crying just a second ago. Give us this. Which one? Next door. What'd they say?
No, problem solved. Okay, so I'm trying to get a job here. So that was a teacher next door, and so it was nice to her because so after this class, you know, you've learned so much already. You can go to the head of the department, Marie Larson, and tell her to hire me full time, Dr. Hilbert Geezer.
We'll put a good word in for you.
Good. And if you want to do even higher, go to Deb Wolf. It's not W-O-L-F, but it has a U in it, so I'm not going to spell it. If you want to go even higher, then go to the president of the college, not the president of the United States. Snort, like the bird that brings the babies. Okay, so now, what am I going to do here? I'm going to
X plus 3 plus or minus
square root of property. So I have x plus 3 equals plus or minus root 22, and then what? Minus 3, so I have x equals minus 3 plus or minus square root of 22. There it is. Okay. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to see something kind of neat. So let's go see it. When I had x squared plus 6x equals 13, I really had this right here. What is the area of that square? You were going to let the man answer it. X squared. Okay, now left or right. So this represents the area of this square. X squared. What is the area of this rectangle?
6x.
What is the area of this? Okay, what is the area of this?
13.
It is 1. Because it is a 1 by 1 square. Did you not know that? Okay, so how many of them am I going to put up? I'm going to put up 13 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is a big scale. It is balanced. Beautiful. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to complete the square. I'll show you why they call it completing the square. I'm going to take that big rectangle, 6 by x, and break it in half into 2 smaller rectangles. See? And now, I'm going to rip it in half. Now these are 2 3 by x triangles. I'm going to go like that. What does this big thing look like that's not completed?
An L.
Okay.
Square. Sorry.
That's for saying it looks like an L, after I was trying to be really obvious. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete the square. But whatever I put on one side of this scale, I have to put on the other side.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to do that how many times? 9. That's where the scale doesn't sit. The coat does help out a lot. Ow. Yes, I'm meant to do that. There are wheels on them.
They're kind of dangerous, aren't they?
Yes, they are, when you step on the chair, as I often do. Okay, so look what I have here. I have okay. I have that right there, and I have this. Okay, so how many squares do I have on that side? I have 22. You can count them. On the other side, what is that right there? That distance is? And this distance is?
3x.
So what is the length of that side of that big square?
3x.
Okay, that is incorrect. X plus 3. So, what is the area of this big square?
X plus 3 squared.
There, we just completed the square. Any questions with that? Okay, so now, what was that? If you don't have blocks, then you're going to have to get some algebra. B over to quantity squared. Good question, actually. So this is completing the square. This is showing people who are picture people why something is true. So I just thought I'd do that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do something kind of fun.